Hello, everybody. My name is Bang Yilu, a PhD student from Institute of Soil Science, Chinese Academy of Sciences. Today, I'm glad to have this opportunity to present this presentation. My topic is carbon sequestration, barrier of vertical system in China. My presentation is in two parts. Part 1, background. Part 2, carbon sequestration barrier of vertical system in China. Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. Let's come to part 1, background. Firstly, brief introduction of Vetiver. As shown in these photos, Vetiver as a perennial bunch grass of the family Poaceae can grow to over 1.5 meters high, and its roots grow downward 2 meters to 5 meters in depth. Vetiver grass is grown for many purposes, such as skin care, soil and water conservation, animal feed, handicrafts, and soil remediation. Secondly, I'm going to tell you something about the China's dual carbon target. As the famous curling curve shows, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is increasing rapidly. China is by a significant margin Asia's and the world's largest emitter. It emits nearly 10 billion tons each year, more than 1/4 of global emissions. So President Xi Jinping said in an address to the United Nations General Assembly on September 22nd, 2020, that China aims to have carbon dioxide emissions peak before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality before 2060. That's China's dual carbon target. At the same time, China is the largest manufacturing power in the world and is still in a phase of rapid growth. It's of great difficulty for China to reduce carbon emissions. Planting carbon sequestration plants would be a very beneficial measurement. And recent studies show that Vetiver has efficiency in carbon sequestration. According to Palapart study, the carbon sequestration efficiency of Vetiver is 58,600 kilograms per hectares per year, which is about 9 times that of eucalyptus. Then we come to part 2, carbon sequestration barrier of vertical systems in China. This part is from one paper we are currently writing. With the support of the China Vetiver Network, we have tried our best to count most of the Vetiver projects carried out in China since 1988, including those carried out by government departments and some Vetiver companies. We can figure out from this picture that the Vetiver system has been applied in 19 provinces in China. The Vetiver system has gone through 3 stages of development in the past 33 years. The first stage is from 1988 to 1997. The Vetiver system project at this stage is mainly used to improve the soil erosion in the southern province of Fujian and Jiangxi. The second stage starts from 1998 to 2010. The Vetiver system was widely used in the construction of highways, railways, reservoirs, and bank slope protection projects in Jiangxi, Fujian, Guizhou. The third stage is from 2011 to present. Vetiver has been used in mine restoration, soil restoration, wetland protection, and garbage site restoration. To sum up, since 1988, the promotion area and the planting area of vetiver in China has continued to increase year by year. Finally, we estimated the value of carbon sequestration produced by the vetiver system in China based on the average carbon transaction price of the Beijing Carbon Trading Center in the most recent year. It's 65 China yuan per ton. The cumulative carbon absorption value created by China's vetiver system so far is calculated to be approximately 110 million China yuan. Assuming that in 2030 and 2060, China's carbon price reaches the current European price of 50 euro per ton, it can be estimated that the cumulative carbon absorption value created by the vetiver system in China in 2030 and 2060 will be respectively reached 1.03 billion China yuan and 3.32 billion China yuan. In conclusion, in addition to its original role in the environment field, the vetiver system in China will generate a high economic value of carbon sequestration in the field of climate carbon finance. So that's all my talk. Thank you for your patience.
So thank you, Dr. Lu.
Thank you.
Dr. Lu's topic is very important in China and in the world, because at least in China, somebody say only tree can sequestrate carbon, but not grass. So this is a wrong topic. This is a wrong idea. So we must get everybody know vetiver can sequestrate carbon, and perhaps is better than some tree, than some fast-growing trees. For example, eucalyptus. So this is a very important so let people to know. So I would suggest that Dr. Lu and some other international experts to prepare a paper for the outstanding journal such as Science, to let everybody know vetiver is very good for the carbon sequestration.